Connecting a docking station to your Lenovo laptop transforms your mobile device into a powerful workstation. Modern Lenovo laptops use advanced connectivity standards that enable single cable solutions for all your peripherals. Understanding your laptop's ports is crucial for successful docking. Modern Lenovo laptops feature various port types, each with different capabilities and specifications. USB-C and Thunderbolt 4 ports are the modern standards for docking. These ports support different data transfer speeds and power delivery capabilities, making port identification essential. Port compatibility varies significantly. Not all USB-C ports support docking features like DisplayPort or Thunderbolt. Always verify your specific port capabilities before purchasing a docking station. Power delivery is critical for proper docking station operation. Your laptop requires adequate wattage to function while connected to multiple peripherals. Most Lenovo laptops need between 65 and 135 watts. Lenovo offers several docking station models to meet different needs. The ThinkPad Universal USB-C Dock Gen 2 provides comprehensive connectivity for most users, while the Thunderbolt 4 Workstation Dock serves professional workstations. Choosing the right docking station depends on your specific laptop model and connectivity needs. ThinkPad X1 and P Series laptops offer the best compatibility with modern docking solutions, while older models may require specific adapters or legacy docks. Before connecting your docking station, you need to verify compatibility and prepare your system. First, check that your laptop model supports the docking station you're using. Lenovo Vantage is essential for managing your system updates and dock compatibility. Make sure it's installed and updated to the latest version. Now let's move to the physical connection process. This is where proper sequence matters for successful setup. Step 2 is the physical connection. Always connect the dock to power first, then connect it to your laptop using the provided USB-C cable. Here you can see the USB-C connector that will connect your laptop to the dock. Make sure to use the cable provided with your docking station for best compatibility. Once connected, Windows will automatically begin the device recognition process. This typically takes 30 to 60 seconds. Step 3 covers device recognition and driver installation. Windows will automatically detect your docking station and install the necessary drivers. If automatic installation doesn't work, you can manually download drivers from the Lenovo support website. Search for your specific dock model to find the correct drivers. After drivers are installed, you need to configure your display settings to make the most of your docking station setup. Step 4 is display configuration. Access Windows Display Settings to configure your monitors for extended or mirrored display modes. The Windows Display Settings panel shows all connected monitors. You can drag and arrange them to match your physical setup and adjust resolution settings for each display. Finally, let's cover common troubleshooting steps in case you encounter any issues during setup. If you encounter problems, here are the most common troubleshooting steps. Check power delivery, cable quality, and driver updates. This diagram shows the complete setup process for a ThinkPad Thunderbolt dock. Following these steps in order will ensure successful connection and optimal performance.